Thank you guys for joining me today on this chit chat. Get ready with me. I haven't done, what's this, like I've missed talking like into the camera. So here's my mirror. I'm just going to look there and as I talk to you guys. So don't mind the colors that are already there. I was just testing out the colors and if they match, and it looks like they match. I can't show you my palette now because it broke. I don't want to tilt. So guys, I just wanted to hop on here and thank, I don't know how many followers I got since I asked for more followers. I think I got let me say 7. So to the newbies and the new supporters, thank you so much for joining me and supporting my channel, watching my videos. I will love it if you can comment and tell me what other videos you'd like to see or what you haven't seen and maybe you would appreciate someone doing. If I can do it, I will definitely do it. So thank you for all the new people and thank you to my sisters for putting the weight out there, so I appreciate that. I wanted to tell you guys about a new channel that my sister and I are currently doing. So we are doing a vlogging channel. So it's just as sisters. So it's not live yet. We're just in the process of making videos. So we want to make at least 2 videos before we can announce the date that we're going to make it live. So the channel's name is Our Milk and Honey Live. I know there's a lot of milk and honeys out there, but we agreed on this on this name simply because of what it means and what the Lord says about it. So basically it's like God is just telling us that if we follow him, if we go out and do what he wants us to do, if we continuously seek out to be good, to go for his will more than ours, to resist the devil's tricks. It's hard, guys. It's hard resisting the devil, but it's so rewarding because it's peaceful. Like you get, I don't know how to explain the peace that God gives you when things seem like are not going your way, but you know that God is in your corner. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah. So that's basically the name that we are going for, the Milk and Honey, our Milk and Honey Live. There's a few channels there, but I think I'll put a direct link into the channel like in my upcoming videos so that you guys can just click on it and go straight to our channel because there's a lot. But with that being said, our channel will be focusing on vlogging, as I said, but not just like the day in our life, maybe, I don't know, but the main focus is sister vacations. We're going to do some sister vacay, and go to different spots. We're just going to explore God's best for us, not for anyone else, because people have different tastes, needs and wants when they go to vacays. So for instance, my sister her priority when looking for a place to stay, like in a hotel or whatever, is the bathtub. Like, she loves bathtubs. The bathroom is her main, like, she loves it. So for me, really, the view, I like views more. The views are my thing, and if we have that and we have the tub, we'll be a-okay. So yeah, that's what our channel will be about. So guys, please support us and see South Africa as we go. We are praying and hoping that God will show up and show off with us, so that people can see that God is alive through us as his vessels. Because what are we without Christ? What are we without Christ? So yeah, that is what I wanted to tell you guys. We're going to do restaurants. Actually, today we're going to shoot like our video. We are going to do our first video going out. So this is me getting ready for that, and I hope you guys will love the content the content that we're going to bring to you guys. And maybe you guys can recommend some places that you went to and you enjoyed so much that you're like, I have to go back there, or I have to tell people about this place. So if you have any suggestions of places anywhere in the country, because we're trusting God to do, to do amazing things for us. So if you have any place that you know has I don't know, a beautiful atmosphere and good services, because why wouldn't you want to go to a place that has amazing service? So yeah, so as I was saying, I have a little friend here. Oh my gosh, and it came out I think last night. I'm like, okay. So as I was saying, guys, this channel will just be focusing around God. Actually, this channel, as much as we will be the people in the front, we will also be like trying our best to represent the kingdom. It's not easy being a Christian, because I think I said this once on my Instagram, that it's not easy being a Christian, because you get so tested, and your first reaction all the time is like, I need to fight. And we always want to fight in the physical, like even if it's not a physical fist fight, but you're planning a way to revenge or to win over that person, if that makes sense. But the Bible is like a manual, like a life manual, and if like a lot of us don't even see it that way, simply because, guys, it's hard being a Christian, I won't lie, but the rewards are so worthy. And I think our aim, I think we haven't discussed it, but the main reason that I think we started this channel is obviously to explore, and because we love going out. We really let people see that even if you are a born again Christian, even if you are living in the Word, even if you are constantly battling with your physical self, you could still enjoy what God is doing. Like, God is so merciful, but that doesn't mean we should take advantage of His mercy and His forgiveness, because that means we're not even learning from our mistakes. But the point is, we are trying to show people that there's a lot that God is trying to show us in the world, and the Lord is so many things. Like there's also scriptures that says we are the temple of the Lord. Like imagine how many people are in the world. Like we are all the temple of the Lord. Like we are all made in His own image. So every talent that every single person has, like a billion of us, every talent that every single person has is exactly what God is trying to do for the kingdom to grow. I'm not sure if I'm making sense. So we are just going to explore what God has been doing in people's lives. It doesn't matter if they believe in God. It doesn't matter if they don't know about God, but our purpose is to spread the word and to live in His kingdom, in His ways, in His word each and every day. And people should see through us as Christians that it's possible to live in the kingdom and still be happy, sad, terrified, disappointed, and all that. It's really, really possible. But our duty as Christians is to always go back to the word to help us navigate our world, our decisions, the path that we should take. Like the word is definitely our manual. So you're not trying to force anyone to do as we do as Christians. We're just trying to enjoy what God has created for other people, because all these restaurants and hotels and B&B, they are owned by someone. So clearly God has been working in those people to excel and be great and achieve what they've been achieving. Me just renting, because lately I just enjoy renting. Apparently I just enjoy it, especially if it's God based. Like I get so fired up. I don't know why I get so fired up. There's something that I'm working on, for like a video that I'm working on now for YouTube. I don't know if I should say the title yet, but I don't know. Let me just get back to you guys on that first, before I say the title of the video. I hope you guys could tune in to our channel and like what you see, share what you see, and please subscribe to our channel, guys. It's not up yet. I'll tell you when it goes up. I'll tell you on my Instagram, so that when it goes up, you know exactly that is ready. Like you know the exact date of it. Like I'll tell me a day before, so you guys can go check it out and be on the lookout for it the next day. So this is the final makeup look that I did, and like I said, guys, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, our life, our milk and honey life. That is the channel's name. So thank you guys for joining me today. I'll see you in my next one. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment as well, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.